Hi there guys, it's Easy Fix FX here. Currently I'm in a live trade, as you can see, running at a profit of $2,400. It's a sell at 4.5 lots on GbpUsd. As you can see, it's a live account. It's a live account, guys. You can see my equity is running at $9,300. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this live trade while it's actually happening. It's a GbpUsd trade, one of the main pairs that I trade. It's a sell at 4.5 lots. I literally trade this pair every evening, either this or gold or another pair that I also trade. So my profit is locked in, my stop loss is locked in. So this is one of my smaller accounts. I've actually got a 50k account that I trade with. This is just one of my smaller accounts that I scalp with. So every day I find these setups, guys, during the busy hours of the market. So it's very doable. I just wanted to make this video to actually motivate you guys and show you guys that trading Forex can be profitable and can actually work out for you with as long as you have the right knowledge, strategy, and mindset. I've been trading for 4 years now, and the past 2 years I've been profitable, consistently profitable. But the first 2 years I really battled. I blew accounts. I lost quite a few $1,000s. You know, it's not that easy when you start. You know, you go in that strategy hunt. You go in that strategy hunt phase, and you go down all these different avenues. You go into Forex Factory, YouTube, Google. You're constantly going on a search. And I just wanted to show you guys that it is very doable to make these sort of profits every day. This is nothing for me. I normally make trades that are $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 trades every evening, US dollars. This is just a small scalp trade that I'm in currently. I've actually been holding this from last night, but I wanted to hold it and actually record these profits because I knew the market was gonna drop lower with the elections and things going on. You know, the pound pound dollar is most likely to get a bit weaker due to the fundamentals and things like that. There's a lot of indecision in the markets currently, so that's why these pairs are getting a bit weaker. But yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm just going to wait until it reaches about $2,500, and then I'm probably going to close it off. I'm pretty sure it's going to drop. All I need is a few more pips, and then it's going to reach my target, and I'll just close it off. But the reason why I'm making this video is to actually motivate you guys and help you guys. I am selling a course. The link for that is in the description. It's a very cheap course. I'll give you my exact strategy, trading plan, risk management, all my strategy rules. It's basically a 30-page PDF that I'll give you all the indicators that I use. It's just 3 indicators that I use, but it's basically what you need is the right settings. The settings on your indicators are hugely important. That's basically one of the huge things that you guys don't know, that standard settings on indicators don't work. You've got to mess around with the settings until you find the correct settings and to use the right indicators. You guys are probably not using the right indicators for your trading. And as you can see, I'm nearly at $2,500. It's nearly there. So it's a 30-page PDF that covers my strategy rules. It covers trading plan. It covers risk management. It covers trading psychology. It covers a lot of stuff. It gives examples. It gives all the indicator settings, all the indicators that you need to add to your charts, all the settings. Everything you need is in the PDF for mobile and for MT4 PC. Although I strongly advise using MT4 PC so you can open and trade and close your trades very quickly. You just click on the X button and you're out of this trade. I just want to yeah, guys, I don't really need to sell a course, with the profits that I'm making and, the amount of money I make every day. But, I'm just showing you guys that it is possible. The course that I'm selling is super cheap compared to what other guys online are trying to sell you guys, which is probably a big. I bought quite a few courses online back when I was still learning, and they were all a bunch of rubbish. It's all the same stuff like support, resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci. All of that stuff is absolute hogwash, guys. So this is what you can do, guys, but you need the right information. I've got the right information for you guys, and a complete guide as to how to trade every day. Within a week, you'll be starting to make profits like this. But obviously, you got to start small and scale up, like what I did. I've given you a taste test in my other videos about how I trade, but I haven't given you guys my exact strategy and exact settings on how I trade, and I haven't given you guys a lot of information. I don't believe in giving out real information for free, because I've worked very hard for that information and had sleepless nights in order to succeed in Forex. As you can see, guys, live account. But yeah, guys, I'm going to upload more live trades that I take and show you guys how I make money and much bigger profits. I'll upload some trades with much bigger profits that I make daily. But yeah, guys, if you want to accelerate your learning curve and learn how to trade from now and shortcut your way to going full time, then I suggest clicking on the link in the description and getting the course. All right, have a good weekend, guys, and I'll see you soon with some more videos, some more profit uploads.